bought this microwave 4 years ago and it started to do this, probably all the paint peeling off, so you can't really clean it very well. That was about perhaps 12 months ago, and then I noticed at the time there's a little plastic pan got stuck in here, and I thought, there looks like there's something missing, and that has never been there. I've never had. I've looked inside. I went into Kerry's, had a look at the same model, and it has a plate on it. Just had to buy a new microwave because now it's started to really arc, and I consider it dangerous. So there we go.
Wait. I don't even want to touch that. Oh my god.